Well, we are at Capital One Hall here in Tysons, and we are celebrating the annual Arts Fairfax Awards luncheon. So the Arts Fairfax Awards raise necessary funds for Arts Fairfax to continue to support the over 230 arts organizations that call Fairfax County home. The funds allow us to do work like creative placemaking and public art. They also allow us to think about supporting individual artists that live in the county, but most importantly, they allow us to begin to shift operating funds towards more granting opportunities for our arts and cultural partners. So the significance of the Arts Fairfax Awards is twofold. One, to celebrate and promote the arts that are located within Fairfax County, and the second, of course, is to raise necessary funds for Arts Fairfax to support the work that we do.
On behalf of my colleagues from the Board of Supervisors who are here today, we will continue to also do our part to make sure arts are an essential ingredient in the quality of life of people in Fairfax County.
So we have 4 awardees this year. Our Innovation Award goes to We Rock Cancer, an organization that combines live performance with the opportunity to have cancer skin checks at the event. We're also celebrating philanthropy with an award for Kline, known locally as our opera ambassador, doing great work with both Wolf Trap Performing Arts and also Washington National Opera. So today we'll be announcing the new Poet Laureate of Fairfax County. The Poet Laureate is a program that we have in collaboration with Fairfax County, and we're pleased to announce Angelique Palmer as our new Poet Laureate for 2024 through 2027. This program highlights the literary arts in and around Fairfax County, but specifically brings the art of poetry to life.
As a Poet Laureate, I want to bring the art form that I love to everyone, to make sure that it's accessible to everyone, because everyone's a poet.
The mission of Arts Fairfax is to make sure that the arts are accessible and available to every resident of Fairfax County. So whatever your next arts adventure holds, I encourage you to stay curious and stay local right here in Fairfax County.